Okay, piccolo latte. Now piccolo is Italian for small, but while it is small in stature, the piccolo is big in flavour. Start by grinding your freshly roasted beans before tamping on a level surface. Place the portafilter firmly into the group head. Before you start the shot, make sure you set your cup underneath. Today, we're splitting our shot between 2 cups. Hit the 2 cup button and let the machine work its magic. Espresso should drop from the spouts at around 8 to 10 seconds. What we're looking for is a flow that looks like warm honey. This machine also has an auto milk texturing option, so it can do all the hard work for you and get the right amount of microfoam and temperature hands-free. But I'm going to show you how to do it manually. Pour the cold milk into the jug up to the bottom of the spout. Before we begin, purge to clean out the steam wand, clearing any condensation and milk residue. Place the steam wand around ½ an inch into the milk and open the steam valve so it draws air from near the milk surface. Lower the jug after a few seconds to introduce air to the surface of the milk, and remember, if it screeches, lower the jug further. The key here is to focus on texture first and then get the temperature. In texturing the milk, I'm aiming for a temperature around 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 to 65 degrees Celsius. A good manual indicator would be when the jug becomes too hot to touch. For non-dairy, I would recommend not going over 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 55 degrees Celsius, as the milk can start to separate or curdle. This is what we're looking for, a velvety and silky smooth texture. Remember to swirl the jug to distribute the air so the microfoam is mixed in evenly. Once done, don't forget to purge the steam wand to clear remaining milk inside the wand and give it a wipe with a damp cloth. Unlike a macchiato, where you'd add just a couple of teaspoons of milk on top, here I'm going to pour the textured milk into the espresso with a layer of microfoam on top. And there's your piccolo latte, made perfectly in your home machine. Enjoy.